Good afternoon, guys. Today I am at one of the most iconic beaches in North Goa. This place is known for its vibrant energy, crazy parties, best sundowner cafes, and so much more. Let's start this vlog with this restaurant, guys. It isn't just one of the best in Goa, but it is definitely one of the best in India as well. And there's music playing inside, so let's go there. I will mute the audio, but I'll definitely show you the place. Right, guys, so I think we cannot hear the music here, but just check this place out. It is fantastic. I mean, not just the seating arrangement opposite the ocean here, but they have this huge space here as well. And besides that, the guys here who are kind enough to show me the place, even though I haven't come here for lunch, they are taking me around. So they told me there is much more to this. In case you're wondering who are these people on the posters, so these are pictures of some hippies who were here back in the 70s, and they landed in Anjuna. And as you guys know, Anjuna is very famous for its hippie culture. But just check out the view from this restaurant. It is insane. I just totally love the ambience of this place. So usually we don't cover washrooms in our vlogs, guys, but I had to show you this one. This here is the men's section, but look at the way how it's designed. Look at this beautiful architecture, and they've used these stones. So these are called Chira stones in Goa, made from red mud. And besides that, the guys here told me that they have a special section here where you can sit and smoke your cigarettes, and with these lights in the evening, it just looks gorgeous. What a cool restaurant. That's not it. There's space upstairs as well. Let's go upstairs. Talk about sundowner places here in Anjuna. Look at this one. Does it get any better than this? Definitely not. What a spectacular view of the ocean here. And look at this beautiful palm trees. Guys, these are the places that literally gives me goosebumps. Now, let's go over to that side, because this restaurant is so big. And look at the seating here. I mean, the seats look so comfortable. And this side as well, they have another gorgeous section where you can see the ocean, and they have more like a table like seating here. So guys, now I have left Slow Tide, and this is going to be a tough ask, because let me show you in the mirror what I am up to. So I will be recording this vlog solo. I don't know if the mirror is visible, but yes. We have left Slow Tide, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to that side. So that side there are many Sundowners Cafe. Hold on a minute. So yes, this side here there are many sundowner cafes that you can visit. So coming up here on my left, you have to be very careful. There are a lot of people here, and then cows and traffic, and this is a very narrow lane. So yes, this one on my left here is Eva Cafe, and on the right there are many places where you can buy, where you can do your shopping. And coming up ahead on my left here is Moonstar. Now this coming up on my left is a very famous and a very old place. This one is called Guru, and some more bulls right in front of me. So guys, today's vlog is going to be very tricky because I'm the one who is shooting and talking and at the same time riding. So I have to be extra cautious. And yes, what do we have here? Now there are many stalls here where you can go shopping, where you can buy your clothes, where you can buy your dream catchers. I just stopped to show you guys another sundowner cafe. So this one here on the left is called Avalon Sunset. I wish I could go to each and every one of these cafes and show you what's there inside, but then it will be a bit difficult because there are so many places like these. And just check this out guys. So Mayan, yeah, this on the left passed by a club, and here you can see many stalls where you can do your shopping. And these lanes are extremely narrow guys. So when you're here on the bike, please be very careful. Look at this here. Places like this even have some cool bed sheets that you can buy. This place takes me back so many years ago because we've been to Anjuna so many times with my friends. And now that Adrian, ever since I've been married to Adrian, most of the times we've been around Baga and Kalangut. So I've come here very rarely, but guys, it feels good to be back here and to show you guys this beautiful place. So on the left here is the beach, and through these sundowner cafes you can get such a good view of the beach. And this year Goa is not very crowded because of many reasons. You've already probably read about that in many newspaper articles. So yes, now such a good feeling to ride your bike here. And wow, this turned out to be even better than what I anticipated. Is this the place that I'm thinking about? Yes, so I think this one. Many years ago, this is the place where there was Paradiso. So there were some crazy trance parties happening here. I have been to one, and look at all the bags there in the distance what the ladies are selling. So those bags are very famous here in Goa. You can get one of those jute bags. And now let's head over straight from this side and see what's there ahead. So talking about Anjuna, let me inform you guys that this place is famous amongst couples, amongst families and solo travelers as well, because there are many places here, hostels, where you can rent a bed, and if you just want to sleep during the night and not spend too much if you are on a budget, Anjuna has many options. In fact, I think just right ahead where the car turned from, there might be one place that I will be able to show you guys. Is it this one? No, not this one. Yeah, there are restaurants here. So yes, as I was talking about hostels, you can check places, and you can even read the reviews and get here. And there are so many restaurants here on my left and on my right. There's a beautiful veg restaurant called Arjuna. It's somewhere down the road from here, so you can try that out as well. Many fish thali restaurants. Right, so there's a right turn and a left turn from here. Where do I go? Let me just take you straight. So here on the left and right, pretty much there are shops where you can do your shopping. There's Biggie's Burger here, Subway here in case if you want Subway. So yes, as I was saying, this year the crowd is very less in Goa compared to last year, and I am thoroughly enjoying my ride here, guys. Open roads, what else can you ask for? Right, so this year on the left is Burger Factory, where you can get some great burgers. I've been here, the vlog is up on our channel. In case if you want to have burger for lunch, you can definitely come here. There's another Burger Factory at Morjim as well, but we haven't been there. But this one is great, you know. Sometimes different outlets can have a different taste, and there was a dog that wanted to cross the road. Yeah, so you have to be extremely careful here in India, guys. And in fact, let me tell you what happened. I was riding the bike in Sierlim yesterday, and there was this long green snake that just went underneath a bike, and that moment was so scary. Thanks to my reflexes, I don't know how, at the last moment I just raised my leg, and luckily the snake didn't turn back and bite us. And I googled, it was a green tree snakes. Luckily it's non-venomous, but that was a very, very scary moment. So it was me and Adrian who were there on the bike. So my point is, anything and everything can come in your way. Please do not go at high speeds. Right, what do we have here? Angry Sardar, another famous place that passed by. If you have been to this restaurant, please let me know your feedback, because in future I want to come up with some food vlogs as well. Right, Mexicola, tequila bar and restaurant. Wow, just a fantastic feeling riding the bike around Anjuna. And the weather, let's talk about the weather. The weather has been superb. Since the last 5 days or so, the weather has been great. It's been cool in the nights and during early mornings and afternoons as well. Even though it's sunny, it's not that bad. So the weather right now is perfect as well, in case if you're planning to visit Goa. And behind me was a huge car, Maharashtra car, okay. So usually the taxi guys, you know, they'll come up to you and then they'll keep honking. So it's better to let them go, because they do this for a living. I usually let them go, but yeah, you have to keep safe distance as well. Right, so on our right here there is HDFC, Kotak, Domino's, in case if you want to visit for your banking needs. So little traffic coming up ahead. So what I've done is I've taken the road which took me straight from Eva Cafe, and then went ahead straight, and I came out right towards the right, which is a bit away from the beach. So this road straight heads to Baga, and on this side, on the left side, there is a chapel here. Right, I'm just waiting for the traffic to clear up a bit. Okay, here we go. Again, as I mentioned, this road goes towards Anjuna as well. And besides hostels, there are many places like guest houses where you can get a good deal. In case if you are booking through booking.com, what you can do is book the places where you can pay cash. So just use a credit card which does not have money on it or something, just to block the rooms, and then you can pay cash once you're here. Because you know, on booking.com there have been instances where people have complained that, you know, they show you something but the actual rooms are something else. So it's better to come here and have a look, and then only if you're satisfied you can go ahead and book the rooms. And talking about guest houses, through word of mouth, if your friends or someone has been there and if they've given you a good reference, guest houses are very good for families as well. Right, so on my right here is the Anjuna football ground, and from here I'm heading straight. So there was a cool cafe there on my left playing some good music. And yes, as I mentioned earlier, there are multiple ways to get to Anjuna. And besides all of this, Anjuna has a very vibrant nightlife scene as well. So if you're someone who's into trance parties, they have parties happening here. There are many clubs here as well. So there are multiple places that play some great music, and then there are some hidden places as well which are not promoted much by the owners, but that's great, that's the way it should be. They play some good rock music. I like rock music, so yes, I am definitely looking forward to such places. Behind there was a house for rent, looked like a nice old Goan house. Okay. And every Wednesdays there is a flea market here. It's called the Anjuna Flea Market. So every Wednesdays you can come here. What a view on my left and on my right of the fields. So yes, on Wednesdays there is Anjuna Flea Market. You can come and get some really good deals, some really cheap things. What is a flea market? It's basically it was started by the hippies. So when they didn't have money to travel back home, they would sell all their things. So this trend started since then, and they would sell some good stuff at really cheap rates. Wow, look at this stunning view, guys. So on my left there was early morning time when we had visited. There were some beautiful peacocks in the fields here on my left. And what are these flowers growing on my left? I haven't seen such flowers before. Yellow flowers. So there is a car behind me. I'll let it go ahead. And a bike as well, who's in a hurry. Let them go ahead as well. But we will ride slow and take our time. And this is what eventually happens. What's the point of going fast when you get stuck ahead? Anyway. Wow. So if you see the houses here on my left and on the right, in case if you're looking for accommodation, you can just visit here directly and then get to such houses and look for guest house where you can stay. So there's this general store here, Anand, in case if you're staying here for long term. There are many general stores as well. Hippie hostel, yeah. So on my right here, there was a hostel. As I mentioned before, this place has many such options where you can stay at hostels. And on my left here, C9 Anjuna AC rooms. Hippie hostel. Okay, let me just show you the number. So in case if you are interested, you can visit this place. I've stopped my bike to show you guys the hostel. Just look at the artwork on this. Looks like a really cool place. Since I came all the way here, why not show you the beach? Right. Now I have entered from this entrance here, and look at this huge shack, I can call it, or a restaurant that is facing the ocean, and they have so many sunbeds here. It's not as crowded as Baga, and there's another shack here as well. So this beach is quite empty. It's not very crowded, and that there in the distance there is some water sports happening, and far away that side is Shiva Valley. That's where all the trance parties happen. And here there are some people that are out in the ocean. That's where we had gone initially. Far away that side is Slow Tide. And yes, this place again here, Gypsy, that's quite well known as well. So guys, that was a tour of Anjuna. Yes, it was a bit tricky for me. I really missed Adrian in this one because I had to do everything. But I hope I was able to take you guys on a good virtual tour of the place. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Until the next time, take care, stay safe and stay positive.